Hello viewers, welcome back to Xtream channel. This is Tejaswini. Today we are going to discuss about 7th standard ICSE syllabus and the topic is unitary method. So today we are going to solve the problems from exercise A in this chapter. So now let our first question be this. Number of articles are 8 and the weight of the articles are 4.8 and number of articles is 11 and the weight is question mark. So here the weight of 8 articles is 4.8 kgs. They are asking us to find the weight of 11 articles. The weight of 11 articles. So as I said, there are two methods. One is statement method and another one is arrow method. So let's solve this question in this arrow method. Alright. So for arrow method, first we need to form the columns. So here the quantities are articles and the weight. So first articles and weight of that articles. Alright. So articles are here 8 and the weight of 8 articles is 4.8 kgs. Next, articles are 11 and they are asking us to find the weight of this 11 articles. So first we have formed the columns here, 2 columns. Now let's point the arrows. So here for 8 articles, if the weight is 4.8, for 11 articles, the weight will be more, right? So point the arrow downwards. So we have pointed arrow downwards because we should always point the arrow in a direction where the value is more. So the weight will be more than 4.8 here. So we point the arrow downwards. Here obviously 11 is the higher value. So we need to point the arrow here. So here we have pointed the arrows, right? So here let's form the fraction now. So as 11 isn't as the arrow is pointed towards 11, let's write 11 in the numerator and 8 in the denominator. Alright, and even here as x is greater value and as arrow is pointed towards x, write this x in the numerator and the rest of the value in denominator, that is 4.8. Now cross multiplication. So here 8 into x is equal to 4.8 into 11. So x as it is, transfer this 8 this side. So 4.8 into 11 divided by 8. So here now we should do the cancellation, that is 8 ones are and 8 6 are 48. So here point is there, but it's okay. So here 8 ones are 8 6 are 48. Now you need to multiply 6 into 11. So 6 into 11 is 66. So here as there is a point in between 4 and 8, as there is point after one digit, you can place the point over here. Alright. So this will be your final answer. So 6.6 kgs actually, and don't forget to write the units beside. So 6.6 kgs will be your final answer. So this is how you will find the solution for this question. Now let's solve another question. So the question is, length of candle is 25 centimeters and the time is 45 minutes and length of candle is 5 centimeters longer than the previous one and the time is question mark. That means we need to find the time here. So a 25 centimeters candle, a candle with 25 centimeters of length will burn up to 45 minutes. So if a candle, if it is 5 centimeters longer than 25 centimeters, how much time will it take to burn? So first here, they have not mentioned us the length of candle, but they just mentioned us it is 5 centimeters longer than the previous one. That means we need to add first these two. That is 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. So here the length of the second candle will be 30 centimeters. Alright. So now let's find this in the arrow methodology. So here the first quantity is length and the second is time. So length here is 25 centimeters. That is 25 centimeter candle will burn for 45 minutes. And next, don't write 5 centimeters for the second quantity, it's 30 centimeters. Alright, so that is 30 centimeters. how much time will it burn? So here we need to write x as we don't know the value. Now point the arrows. If 25 centimeters candle will burn 45 minutes, 30 centimeter candle will burn more than 45 minutes, right? Therefore x will be having more value than 45. So point the arrow downwards. And here even point the arrow downwards. Now form the fraction, that is 30 by 25 is equal to x by 45. Now cross multiplication, that is 25 into x is equal to 30 into 45. So here, after doing the cross multiplication, you need to convert it into division form. So here 30 into 45 divided by 25. So x will be as it is and 25 will be transferred this side. So it will become division form. So let's cancel. So 5 5s are and 5 9s are. And 5 1s are 5 6s are. So 6 into 9 is equal to 54. That means x is equal to 54 minutes. Alright, so this will be our answer. So x is equal to 54 minutes. So this candle of length 30 minutes will burn for 45. Sorry, this candle with length 30 centimeters will burn for 54 minutes. So this is how you will find. And the very important step to remember is they have given us 5 centimeters longer than the previous candle. That means you need to add this one. 25 plus 5. 25 plus 5 is 30 centimeters. So this will be our second candle. So the time and the answer will be 54 minutes. So let's see another question. So the question is eggs are 3 dozen and the cost of 3 dozen eggs is 90 rupees. And here the eggs are 3 scores and the cost is question mark. That means we need to find. But before finding, observe here, they have given in the first statement 3 dozen of eggs and in second 3 scores. So what are the values of dozen and scores here? So here 1 dozen is nothing but 12 eggs. Not only eggs, 1 dozen is nothing but 12. The value of dozen is 12 and the value of score is 20. So first we need to multiply as they are not in the perfect number. So they are just the values, right? So they have given here the values. So we need to multiply with these values first. So first let's see the dozen. That is 3 into 12 is equal to 36. So 3 12s are 36. That means our first the 3 dozen of eggs are 36. So this will be our first quantity. And next come to the scores. That is 3 into, here one score value is 20. 20. That is 60. So our second quantity will be 60. So first we need to find the quantities. But before that you need to know the values of dozen and score. Now let's do the problem. So here first is, so even we are doing this in the arrow method. So here first will be, first quantity is eggs, and the second is cost here. So here eggs are remember our first quantity and second are these. So here our eggs are 36 and the cost of 36 eggs is 90 rupees. And second quantity is 60 and the cost is x. That means we need to find this. Now point the arrows. So here if 36 eggs cost 90, obviously 60 eggs will cost more than 90, right? So point the arrow downwards. And even here as 60 is more than 36. Alright, so you need to point the arrows in this way. So form it in the fractional form. That is 60 by 36 is equal to x by 90. Do the cross multiplication. That is x into 36 is equal to 90 into 60. Now we have done the cross multiplication here. Let's divide this. So keep x as it is and transfer the 36 into right hand side so that it will become division. That is divided by 36. So let's cancel the 3 table. 3 12s are and 3 2s are 0 as it is, and 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9 and 0 as it is. So 4 1s are 4 5s are. That means it is 30 into 5. That is 150. So the cost of X will be rupees 150. So the cost of eggs, the cost of 3 scores eggs is rupees 150. So this is how you will solve the question. Thank you so much for watching. So this is all about today's class. So today we have solved few problems of first exercise A of unitary method. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you.